dreamers from around the world. This is Steve Villoni and Dr. Marilyn Powers with Dream Central Now. I'm excited today that Marilyn will be sharing a dream with you and an interpretation of that dream. That'll take place in just a minute. Right now, we're coming live to you from the Island Princess on Princess Cruises. This has been an amazing journey through the Panama Canal in December of 2025. We're grateful for you to join us. And now, ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Marilyn Powers.
I'm so happy to share this dream with you. A few nights ago, a movie began in my awareness at 3:30 a.m. in the morning, a very special time during the night when some of us receive downloads, important messages through our dreams. The dream began with this billionaire who was very extremely wealthy, and his wife and two children, very young children, ages 3 and 5. His friend egged him on to have a one-night stand. His wife found out and went into a rage and decided she would take the two children and herself away, and they would have nothing to do with their father, and that she wouldn't accept a penny from him and his fortune. For years, the billionaire could not communicate with his wife, the mother of his children. One time, he even found where they might be and stood outside hoping that his daughters would come and see him, but they were too afraid. Their mother would not allow it. And then when they reached adult age after 18, the billionaire's attorney came to the daughters, and they wanted to meet their father. The mother was furious. She argued against it, but this time she did not win to keep the separation. And so they went to see their father. The attorney for the estate met them and told them the history, and that their father loved them so much, but that their mother would never forgive him for his action. When they got together with their father, they embraced and heard him say, "I love you. I'm so sorry." And they in return said, "Father, we love you." At that moment, the father collapsed. His heart was shaken. He fell to the floor. And the end of his life was the culmination of them forgiving him and seeing and feeling his love. Interestingly, his entire estate of billions, he was a big philanthropist, went to the daughters and the mother. The mother never forgave him, never took a penny, but the daughters went forward and became philanthropists and had a family and children. This dream kept circulating through my awareness, this movie, and I asked, what does it mean at this time in our civilization when we are at a turning point? Vengeance or forgiveness and love? Can we in society today take the path of forgiveness and love and not a path of secondary payoffs and self-destruction and separation? Our dreams in sleep time come to us, giving us personal messages as well as collective messages. I hope that Dream Central now offers us the path of love and forgiveness. May we share this path together through our dreams and our shared commitment to love and forgive.
Thank you, Dr. Marilyn Powers. This is Steve Vilioni of Dream Central Now, the channel with heart and soul. If you haven't already, please subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much for watching and listening.